Welcome back to Hack the Matrix, your ultimate source for all things hacking and cybersecurity. In today's episode, we'll dive deep into the world of the Pineapple device. We'll explore what it is, how it works, its specifications, and the endless possibilities it offers for hackers and security enthusiasts. So, let's get started. The Pineapple device is a powerful tool used for wireless network penetration testing and security assessments. It's a specialized device developed by Hawk5, designed to exploit vulnerabilities in Wi-Fi networks. But how does it work? Let's find out. The Pineapple device leverages a technique called a man-in-the-middle attack to intercept and manipulate network traffic. It acts as a rogue access point, tricking nearby devices into connecting to it instead of the legitimate network. This allows hackers to eavesdrop on communication, perform targeted attacks, and gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. Now, let's take a closer look at the specifications of the Pineapple device. It features a powerful processor, ample storage, and various connectivity options. With dual-band Wi-Fi support and multiple antennas, it ensures a wide range of compatibility and strong signal strength. Additionally, it offers an intuitive web interface for configuration and management, making it accessible for both beginners and experts. The Pineapple device isn't just a toy for hackers, it has a wide range of practical applications. From conducting penetration testing and vulnerability assessments to analyzing wireless security protocols, the Pineapple device provides a comprehensive platform for testing and improving network security. It's also an invaluable tool for education, allowing students to learn about real-world hacking techniques in a controlled environment. To truly understand the power of the Pineapple device, let's see it in action. In this demonstration, we'll showcase how it can be used to perform a Wi-Fi Pineapple attack. We'll walk through the setup, configuration, and execution of the attack, highlighting the steps involved and the potential outcomes. Remember, this demonstration is for educational purposes only, and it's crucial to use these techniques responsibly and legally. As with any hacking tool, it's essential to understand the legal implications and follow ethical guidelines. In this segment, we'll discuss best practices for using the Pineapple device responsibly, ensuring you stay within the boundaries of the law and maintain ethical conduct. Did you know that the Pineapple device supports a wide range of advanced features and customization options? In this segment, we'll explore some of the lesser-known capabilities of the device, such as creating custom modules, integrating with other tools, and leveraging community-developed plugins. We'll also discuss firmware updates and community support, which are vital for staying up to date with the latest enhancements. Before we wrap up, let's address some of the most common questions about the Pineapple device. We'll dive into the comment section and answer questions from our viewers. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to address them. That concludes our in-depth exploration of the Pineapple device. We've covered what it is, how it works, its specifications, practical applications, and even witnessed a demonstration. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use hacking tools like the Pineapple device ethically and legally. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the Pineapple device. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on hacking and cybersecurity. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology. This is Hack the Matrix, signing off.